Good morning, students. Let's go chapter lines and angles, exercise 6.1, question number 1. In the given figure, lines AB and CD. AB and CD are two lines. Intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE, angle AOC and angle BOE is equal to 70 and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Find angle BOE. Angle BOE, find out. At first, angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree given, and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree also given. Find angle BOE is equal to what, and reflex angle COE is equal to what? We know in any line segment stands on a ray, just like LPA, the sum of the angle is 180 degree. We know the angle AOC, because AB is a line segment and OC and OE is a ray. That means angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree by LPA. The angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE is equal to 180 LPA. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is given 70 degree. That means the value of angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70. And angle COE is equal to 180. That means angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70. So angle COE is equal to 110 degree. 110 degree, find out. Again, CD is a line segment and OE and OB is a ray. That means angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. Again, angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD is equal to 180. Reason LPA. Angle COE, find out 110. The 110 plus angle BOE plus angle BOD is given 40 degree plus 40 is equal to 180. 110 plus 40, 150 plus angle BOE is equal to 180. Angle BOE is equal to 180 minus 150. Angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. Answer. That is your answer. Again, reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE is equal to 360 minus angle COE. इसका मतलब है रिफ्लेक्स मीन्स प्रतिवर्ती इन हिंदी. प्रतिवर्ती मतलब जस्ट उसका अपोजिट, उल्टा. यानी किसी भी, हम लोग जानते हैं कि किसी भी पॉइंट पे 360 का एंगल बनता है. तो एंगल COE दिस एंगल, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल जस्ट अपोजिट, यानी 360 माइनस जिसके विषय में कहा जाएगा उसको क्या करेंगे हम लोग, कैसे निकालेंगे रिफ्लेक्स. the reflex angle COE, जिसके विषय में कहा जाए उसी एंगल को 360 में से माइनस करना है, तो 360 माइनस एंगल COE, तो 360 माइनस एंगल COE इज इक्वल टू 110 इज इक्वल टू 250 डिग्री। आंसर। Question number 2. In the given figure in the given figure, lines XY and MN are two lines intersect at O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degree. In the given figure, angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2:3. A is to B is equal to 2:3. Let A is to B is equal to 2x:3x. Find angle C create करना है। तो at first XY is a line, OM and OP is a ray, so angle XOM plus angle POM plus angle POY is equal to 180 because LPA angle XOM plus angle POM plus angle POY is equal to 180 LPA. XOM, that means B is equal to 3x, 3x plus POM is equal to A, that means 2x plus POY is equal to 90 is equal to 180. 2 3 5x plus 90 is equal to 180. 5x is equal to 180 minus 90. तो 5x is equal to 90. x is equal to 90 by 5. 18 जा. x is equal to 18 degree. At first find angle XOM. XOM is equal to 3x. 3 into 18 is equal to 54 degree. Angle POM is equal to 2x. The 2 into 18 is equal to 36 degree. Again find C. The action MN is a line segment and OX is a ray. That means angle XOM plus angle XON is equal to 180 because LPA. The angle XOM plus XON, angle XON is equal to 180. Reason LPA. LPA. XOM is already find out 54 degree. The 54 plus angle XON is equal to 180. The angle XON is equal to 180 minus 54. The angle XON is equal to 126. That means C is equal to 126. So your answer is the value of A 36 degree, the value of B 54 degree and the value of C 126 degree. It's your answer.
Number हो गया। आप तो यहाँ लगे हैं 5 होगी तो
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, question number 3, in the given figure angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Proof. Angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180 because LPA angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180. LPA. Equation first. Again, angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equal to 180. LPA again angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equal to 180. LPA. Equation 2. And in the questions PQR is equal to PRQ is given. The angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ given. Then from equation first and second, both are equal, PQR and PRQ, so cancel, 180 cancel, so angle PQS is equal to PRT. Proved. Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Proved. Question number 5. In the given figure, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is the another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Then prove that angle ROS is equal to 1/2 angle QS. Angle ROS is equal to half angle QOS minus angle POS. Proof. Angle ROQ is a perpendicular to line PQ. That means 90 degree. We know if any line segment and any ray stands on it, then the sum of the angle is 180. इसका मतलब है कि जब ये 90 है तो ये एंगल प्लस ये एंगल इज इक्वल टू 180. This angle is 90 degree, then sum of the angle is 90 degree. That means angle ROP is equal to angle ROQ, या angle ROQ is equal to angle ROS plus angle POS. The angle POS plus angle ROS is equal to angle ROQ because both side 90 degree. adding angle ROS both side, adding angle ROS both side, तो एंगल POS प्लस एंगल ROS प्लस एंगल ROS इज इक्वल टू एंगल ROQ प्लस एंगल ROS। एंगल POS प्लस 112 एंगल ROS इज इक्वल टू एंगल ROQ प्लस एंगल ROS इक्वल टू एंगल QOS। एंगल QOS, एंगल POS को हम को साइड ले जाएंगे तो प्लस का माइनस, यानी 2 एंगल ROS इज इक्वल टू एंगल QOS माइनस एंगल POS। 2 को ले जाएंगे तो इंटू का डिवाइड, दैट मीन्स एंगल ROS इज इक्वल टू एंगल QOS माइनस एंगल POS बाय 2, या इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, सो एंगल ROS इज इक्वल टू 1/2 एंगल QOS माइनस एंगल POS। प्रूव्ड। Exercise is finished.